Hi everyone. Today I'm going to read a story about animals from A to Z, and it's by David McPhail. This is an ABC book. A is for ant and armadillo. B is for bear and bird. C is for cricket, crocodile, and crow. D is for dog and duck. E is for eel, egret, and elephant. Egret is a bird. F is for fish, fox, and frog. G is for goose and gorilla. H is for hedgehog and horse. I is for iguana. Look, he's eating ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroos. And the baby's flying a kite. Also starts with a K. L is for ladybug and lion. M is for moose and mouse. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. P is for porcupine, who's painting pumpkin. Q is for quail. That's a kind of a bird. R is for rabbit, rhinoceros, and robin. And S is for swan. T is for tiger and turtle. And U is for unicorn and upside down catfish. V is for vulture. W is for walrus, whale, and wolf. X is for xenops. That's a kind of a bird. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra.